Hello everybody, big welcome, and especially a big welcome to all of you who are going to travel with us at Scandinavian Airlines today on our flight to Chicago. Today is a historical day for us. This is actually the day when we are introducing our brand new Airbus A350, as you probably have understood, all of you. This is a milestone for us, a big investment. We are investing in 8 new aircrafts, 350s, that's coming into the market over the coming years. And this is the brand new technology. Hopefully it will increase the customer value for you as well. But most of all, this is the most fuel efficient aircraft on the market. Thank you. Thank you. Sustainability and securing that we travel sustainable is extremely important for us at Scandinavian Airlines. Therefore, I'm proud to announce that we will decrease the fuel consumption with around 30% when we introduce this aircraft, meaning that we will lower the emission, the carbon emission, with around the same amount. So it's a milestone for us in our transformation to a more sustainable airline. Together with the crew, of course, I would like to say welcome and take a look outside. A little bit difficult to see maybe, but we have a totally new livery of the aircraft as well. New design, not only on this aircraft, but also on this, on the whole fleet. The aircraft outside is called Inaugural Viking, and as you can see, she is no longer a lady in red, meaning that the engine is no longer in red, the traditional SAS red colors. Worth mentioning with regards to the engines is that they don't only help us to reduce the fuel consumption, they also have an external noise footprint that lowered with 40%. So hopefully we'll get a more silent, a more calm flight over to Chicago today compared to previous flights. We're standing here at Copenhagen Airport, and there is a reason for that. When we look into the catchment area in Scandinavia, Copenhagen is of course the biggest one. And we can see from our perspective that the connectivity to, from and within Scandinavia and to Europe and the rest of the world has the largest connectivity here in Copenhagen. So big thank you to Copenhagen Airport for your support with this launch and for our cooperation going forward as well.
Passengers flying with Pegasus.
I would like to mention a couple of things what you will meet on board when I'm standing here. So I know it's a lot of people here that are interested in the new 350. So first of all, we can see that the airplane as such is a little bit bigger in the belly, meaning that we have a higher ceiling and also that we have more space inside the cabin. The team has worked very hard during the development phase together with our customers to improve and update it to a more, even more Scandinavian interior, and also securing a more sustainable footprint on board. When I'm talking about sustainability and sustainable footprint on board, it's the most about the weight on board. And the team have worked really hard to try to lower the weight on board. For example, the instant carpet, as well as all the seat on board, is much more inlaid material compared to how it was before. So that's really good. We have updated, you have tried some food here. It will probably not be the same food that you see on board. However, we have also updated our dining and our drinking on board. So take the possibilities to stretch your leg during the long flight and visit the snack shop if you are in Go or in Plus. And if you have the pleasure of being in business class, do not miss the bar or the refreshment area where you can take some food or perhaps take a drink and hopefully learn something about your fellow travelers as well. Is that a promise? Great. So all in all, it's a great pleasure for me to stand here today and talk to all of you. And it's a big pleasure for us as Scandinavian Airlines to introduce the 350. This is the first step, or one of our steps, in the transformation to a more sustainable airline. Hopefully you will join us on that journey going forward as well. Thank you very much and have a really pleasant flight. Thank you.
So on behalf of Copenhagen Airport, I'm very happy to welcome you to this launch event celebrating the inaugural flight of the A350, brand new SAS aircraft. Only 2 weeks ago, we had the pleasure of celebrating the return of the SAS route to Los Angeles, which took off from CPH. And today we have yet another reason to celebrate again, as SAS are on the verge of starting operations with this brand new aircraft standing just here beside us, behind us. In CPH, we are very happy and proud to becoming the launch airport of the new A350 that marks a new era in long-haul operations by SAS. Not only, I can tell you, it's a beautiful aircraft, it's also state-of-the-art, as mentioned, environmentally friendly, reducing fuel consumption and lowering the noise levels significantly. And the aircraft is not only setting new standards on the outside. I was just on board, and I can tell you, for you as passengers going today and the passengers flying with SAS in the future on the A350, without saying too much, I can guarantee you, you are in for a treat. Besides the already mentioned benefits, the aircraft also has more capacity than the plane it is replacing, offering 55 more seats in each aircraft. This helps set the important standards for future aviation, when you can grow as an airline and as an airport while still being able to lower the emissions and noise levels. Intercontinental routes have a large impact on CPH's ability to maintain our position as the largest airport in the Nordics, the gateway of Northern Europe, and to offer you as passengers the best opportunities to travel. In Copenhagen Airport, we are very proud that SAS, with this new aircraft, will be able to build on the success we've experienced with strong growth on several long-haul markets over the past years. So we would like to take the opportunity to thank SAS for the excellent cooperation we have, and we wish you the best of luck with the launch of this new aircraft, and we will of course do our utmost to help you in making it a success for this aircraft and the next 7 A350s to come. So with these few words, I wish you passengers and the crew a great first trip with the A350s. Thank you very much.